Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams, caching, and connection issues. So don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft Teams tutorials. So first open Microsoft Teams on your browser and let's head over to open a new tab in Microsoft Teams to read apps here. Click on them, Settings, and search for Cache. And these guys click on Clear Browsing Data, shows what to clear, and shows, for example, cookies and cache, and click on All Time. This will make sure that you clear cache from Microsoft Teams also on your browser, and when you're done with these options, click on Clear Now. This is the first step. The second step is to make sure you use a stable internet connection. Make sure you have a very fast internet connections that can run Microsoft Teams smoothly in accessing your chat and Teams calendar and course in Microsoft Teams efficiently without delay, and also with a good internet connection to connect some apps to your Microsoft Teams account. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.